We'll guide you through how to fix vibration not working on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be frustrating because vibration can help identify when you've got a notification coming through, and you can also go and use it just across your phone when doing certain things. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix it. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. What you want to do is go and swipe up to get to your app pages, and we need to go and find the option for settings. You can always go and search at the top, but I can find the app here. So let's come into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is you want to come down and you need to go and find the option for sounds and vibrations. So not far at all. You can always use the search in the top right struggle to find it. First of all, if it's set to mute, that can be why it's not working. It needs to be set to vibrate or sound. So make sure you've got either of those set. Now, if you've got it set to sound and it's not working, make sure vibrate while ringing is switched on. Next, what you want to do is come down to call vibration. So tap there, make sure it's not set to silent. Otherwise, that's why. And you can then go and choose what vibrate you want. Press back. You can do the same thing for notification vibration. Make sure that it's not set to silent. Otherwise, that's why it's not working. So you can go and choose the vibration you want. Next, you can go down into system vibration. And you want to make sure that this isn't turned all the way down. And you want to go and make sure it's turned up. And you also want to go and turn on what vibration and feedback you want. So the moment the keyboard is turned off, I'll turn that on like so. And you can go and switch these others on as well, in case these are turned off, which is why it isn't working. So press back, and you can also come into the intensity as well, and you can just try increasing that in case it's turned all the way down, and go and see if that goes and solves it. Hopefully it does. So they're the main settings there. Hopefully one of them solved the problem. Now, if it didn't, what we're going to do is come back here like so, and you're going to go and scroll down. You need to go and find the option for apps. Wait for this to go and load. Now, if you're finding this happening with a certain app notification, what you want to do is go and find that app. So I'm just going to go and scroll down and I'll find an app to do it with. Let's go and say it was Gmail. We'll just scroll down to G. Here it is. Now, what you then need to do is come into notifications, and you want to make sure that you have allow sound and vibration selected. And that should go and allow the vibration to go and work. Hopefully that solves it. Next, if you're finding that notifications are not coming through and vibration isn't working as well, you want to make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. So go and drag down like so, and you can then drag down again at the top. And you want to go and locate Do Not Disturb. So you can swipe across to go and see if we can find it here. If this is highlighted on, tap on it to go and turn it off, and that will allow notifications and vibrations to go and work. Last of all, if it still isn't working, tap and hold the side button, and you want to go and press restart and restart again. A restart will just go and refresh things, so when it comes back on, hopefully it's now solved and vibration is working. If you found this useful and you want to see more, consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I'll catch you again soon in the next how-to, and we can go and help you again.